Either this or breakout. Pick one. Green. You gonna be alright?
Hell yeah. Let me see. They still meet up to the same thing?
Yeah.
Let's go.
Baby way.
I think I'm bottling out too much. I'm gonna have to fill it up when we get back.
You need to bottom out something. Bottoming out is good. That's how a fork works. You have to go all the way to bottom out to actually work. If you don't bottom out, you're not using when you're traveling.
Yeah, Wayne.
Yep.
My gears are not too good either. Where we going?
What's your tire laces? Tuck it in or something. And use your front brake. Not favoring your back.
Here we go. You wanna go? Oh yeah, I gotta hit that drop. Yes, yes. God. Oh shit. You close your eyes 1 minute out here, it could be over for you. I gotta hit that drop. I just seen that kid hit that drop. That's the slope slide. I could hit the drop.
Which drop?
The drop that we went when we just did the overpass with the bridge going over right before it.
Rainbow.
That's the slow style. Oh, I gotta go. No, I gotta go on that one.
You wanna do salvation? Are you going Alpine or on? We went straight last time. Is that?
Let's do something different than last time.
Huh?
Go a different route than last time.
Alpine. Yeah? Yeah. Going down down the lift.
Right under the lift?
Yeah, just be careful.
Got you.
Alright?
Yep. Yeah. I think I'm gonna need a front. So bitch. Little bitch, get up high, nigga. Woo! Ha. Whoop! Oh shit! Oh shit! Gotta look ahead. Think I'm at home. Oh! Ah! What? Oh. Oh. What the fuck? Oh. Oh, oh. Oh my God! Oh! Oh! Oh my God! Oh God! Oh! 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 Shit!
You're alive.
My hands. I need new hands on Amazon. I have to order some.
Alright?
Yeah. What the fuck is that drop right there in front of you? Oh, shit.